In this video, we'll go over how you can use Symbium to find, apply, and pay for permits for your home improvement projects. To get started, simply go to the Projects section of your properties page and click on Home Improvements. From there, you can plan and scope out your project, with Symbium providing instant feedback on necessary permits and associated fees. As you provide more information, Symbium's analysis becomes even more nuanced and accurate. Let's say you also want to replace your furnace in addition to adding an air conditioner. Just simply add that to your scope of work. You'll see that the rebates and permit fees have increased. Typically, a contractor would have to apply for 2 separate permits, but Symbium instantly configures the optimal number of permits and permit types so that the applicant doesn't have to pay more fees than required. In this case, despite multiple home improvement projects, Symbium has determined that you'll only need to submit 1 permit application, saving you both time and money. Completing the permit application is just as easy. Just input additional information about your project, review the application, sign it, and add your payment information. With just a few clicks, you can submit your application and payment without waiting in long lines and dealing with slow city processing. Through Symbium, you can even schedule inspections, view their statuses, and finalize your permit. At Symbium, we're proud to offer this cutting-edge solution that makes the process of identifying what permits are required and applying for them quicker and easier for homeowners and contractors. Thanks for watching this video explaining how you can use Symbium to manage the permitting process for home improvements. We hope you found it informative and engaging. To learn more about how to use Symbium's Citizens Dashboard, check out our other videos. They cover how to determine what currently exists on a property, how to find and apply for rebates for energy-saving home improvements, and how to instantly learn if an ADU is allowed on a property. You can find all 3 videos on the screen right now.